Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby footwear designs model. Crochet baby footwear designs refers to various styles of shoes, boxes or sandals that are handmade using crochet techniques. These designs can range from simple to intricate and often incorporate a variety of stitches, patterns, and embellishments. Crochet baby footwear is popular for its softness, comfort, and the ability to customize colors and patterns to match outfits or themes. Here are some tips for creating crochet baby footwear. First, choose the right yarn. Opt for soft, baby-friendly yarn like cotton or acrylic blends. These are gentle on a baby's skin. Look for lightweight options to ensure comfort. Select appropriate hooks. Use the hook size recommended in your pattern. A smaller hook can create tighter spaces. This can help prevent any small pieces from coming loose. Follow a pattern. If you are new to crochet, start with a simple pattern. There are many free and paid patterns available online, including videos tutorials can guide you through each step. Measure carefully. Make sure to measure the baby's foot for perfect fit. Baby feet grow quickly, so consider making a size up if you are unsure. Add non-slip soles for booties and shoes. Consider adding a non-slip material to the sole, especially if the baby is starting to curl or walk. It's simple. If you are just starting, stick to basic designs before trying more complex ones. This will build your confidence and skills. Use stitch markers. If your pattern involves a lot of stitches or changes in direction, use stitch markers to keep track of your place and to help maintain even tensions. Embellishments. Feel free to get creative with decorations like markers, flowers, or books. Just ensure that any embellishments are securely attached and safe for babies. Practice stitching. Consistent tension is key for uniformity. If your stitches are too tight, the footwear will not fit well. If too loose, it may not hold its shape. Washability. Since baby items needs frequent washing, choose yarns that are machine washable and dryable, and check the care instructions. Consider stress. Baby's feet can be curvy and require a bit of stress in the footwear. Using stitches that have some give, like half double crochet or double crochet, can help. Test fit frequently as it works. Try the footwear on a baby's foot with their parent permission to ensure the fit is comfortable. This is especially helpful with booties. Two simple closer methods. If your pattern includes belts, closures like ties, buttons, or Velcro. Ensure they are easy to use. Opt for soft materials to avoid stretching the baby's skin. Keep safety in mind. Avoid small embellishments that could be a jogging hazard. If you use buttons or belts, make sure they are securely fastened and won't come off easily. Use a colorful palette. Babies respond well to bright colors and warm patterns. Experiment with different color combinations to make your footwear bold and elegant. Learn to read patterns. Familiarize yourself with common closet abbreviations and symbols to help you read patterns more effectively, especially if you are following complex designs. Practice different stitches. Explore various crochet stitches, tension stitches, corn stitches, or cables to add texture and design variety to your footwear. Make use of ribbons or legs. Adding ribbons or legs can enhance the look and allow for adjustable sizing, helping the footwear fit the longer as the baby grows. Keep it light. Since babies don't need heavy footwear, aim for lightweight designs that won't weigh down their little feet. Store properly. If you are making multiple pairs, store them in a clean, dry place to keep them in good condition until they are gifted or owned. Consider seasonality. Think about the season when creating footwear. Use breathable ears for summer sandals and thicker ears for winter boots. Explore different styles. Look into various culture or regional designs for baby footwear to add unique touches to your creations. Document your process. Take notes and pictures as you work through your project. This can be helpful for future reference or if you want to recreate the design later.